MICONVEY, the Match Series endoscopic stapler, makes surgery more precise, more efficient, and safer. MICONVEY new endoscopic series product, Match Series universal endoscopic linear cutting stapler and disposable cartridge. Composed by new upgrade stapler and new cartridges in ABC series. The newly upgraded stapler with more ergonomical design makes the operation easier and smoother, improving surgeons' experience. The newly launched cartridges with multi-functions for multi-choices and stable performance fully meets the clinical needs. Unique Cayman Claw technology. Reinforce slipping resistance and reduce the lateral and longitudinal oscillations when the staples are lifted. It enhances better B-shaped staple formation to ensure a safe operation. Exclusive Cayman Clip technology. Effectively reduce tissue spillage during operation, lock the tissue like a crocodile, and reduce the burden on patients. Unique Curve technology. Better visualization through the vascular space to ensure safe dissection. Blunt separation, multifunction, easy to operate. Intelligent staple height technology. Achieving perfect performance in suturing and hemostasis. It greatly speeds up the healing process. Reinforced anvil design. Make the tissue more evenly distributed on the cartridge to achieve the best suturing and hemostasis effect. GST technology. Enhance B-shaped staple formation to ensure safe operation. MICONVEY Match Series endoscopic linear cutting stapler are widely applied in general surgery and thoracic surgery, such as transection, resection, and anastomosis. Match Series endoscopic linear cutting stapler comprehensively match clinical needs, bringing a new operating experience. Convey microsurgery innovation. MICONVEY.